Hi class, welcome. I am a teacher, Diana Clavijo. Motivation. I will present a motivational video so that the students are encouraged. They are active to receive the very active English class. Together we will dance to the song and English YouTube. Central phase. Today we will see a very interesting topic, the IPA. Before getting into context, let's think for 2 minutes. What does the word IPA mean? Okay, students, IPA stands for International Phonetic Alphabet. International Phonetic Alphabet. Thanks to the IPA, our English will feel more fluent. We will have good intonation and pronunciation when speaking English. Okay. Next, I will present a video that explains more about phonetic symbols. Imagine. Enlace. Okay. Example. After analyzing the video, we will practice the pronunciation of the symbol together. Pay attention, please. Okay. Fa. Yum. Ba. Bat. Ta. Light. Duck. Dog. Cat. Cash. Good. Girl. Okay. Next. Next. E. E. C. It. It. Behave. At. Bed. Ah. Cat. Ah. Fat. Bad. Car. Up. Cup. Oh. Look. Oh. Ball. Cook. Cook. Look. Put. Ooh. Boot. Oh. Shirt. Up. Father. Okay. Next, researching. Evaluation. Okay? Evaluation. Make a very nice and well present poster in which you are going to spot with your classmate and teacher the phonetic symbols. You can add images. Practice the pronunciations that you present about word. Okay? Finish. Times over. Times over. Okay, see you next. Thanks, greetings, see you later. Bye bye.